Got a burnt-out license plate light on your 2016-2020 Chevy Camaro? Don't worry, it's an easy fix. This video will show you how to replace the bulb yourself in about 15 to 30 minutes. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, optional needle nose pliers can help too, and a new 19.4 or 7.443 bulb, costing just $5 to $15 from any auto parts store like AutoZone or even a GM dealership. Make sure the car is turned off and keys are removed for safety before you start. Working with clean hands is also important to keep from smudging the lenses. First, open the trunk and find the license plate light assemblies. Then, gently pry off the trunk lid liner to access the back of the lights. Disconnect the wiring harness, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it, and pull out the old bulb. Insert the new bulb and reassemble everything in reverse order. Turn on your headlights to test that the new bulb works. For 2019-2020 models, you might need to remove additional trim. Remember to seal connections with dielectric grease to prevent corrosion, especially if you live in a place with winter salt. If your Camaro is a 2021 Plus model, it likely has integrated LEDs requiring module replacement instead of just a bulb.